Hello folks, you're probably wondering what happened to all the air raid shelter excavation renovation videos. The simple fact is I haven't been down there for 2 months because it became very difficult to work there. It's a very deep hole, there's lots of stuff to dig out, and it's a real chore to fill up one bucket, scramble out, climb out, tip it out and go back down. It just takes far too long. I did have a friend, Mr. Alan Marsh, come and help me for, well, he was here for a week, but unfortunately we only spent an hour or so up there doing stuff. It was just too hot. When it wasn't really hot, it was really cold and wet. So not really conducive to being in a cramped, confined hole. Anyway, we did find some other bits, and I will do a video fairly soon. Just to show you a butcher's knife we found, which is all rusty, and a lady's dressing gown. There's going to be a few more things down there. Anyway, at the end of the last video we found this. And this, as confirmed by Len Williams and Chris Eads, is colloquially known as an old woman's tooth. It's ostensibly a plane, like a router we'd use today, except a manual one rather than an electronic one. Anyway, it's marked J. Savage. Now, in an earlier video I said that the Smiths lived here during the war. I said that because I was misremembering, and I knew it began with S and I thought it was Smith, but finding this jogged my memory. Some years ago, a builder who my ex met as part of her job happened to mention where we live, and his mum was down the street as a little girl in the war, and she could remember everybody that lived here. And it wasn't Smith, it was Savage, Mr. and Mrs. Savage, an old couple. Now I guess everybody looks old if you're a little kid, so how old they were I don't really know. We may find out one day. But anyway, I believe this belonged to Mr. Savage because it's marked J. Savage in 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe somewhere else, but certainly 8 places. He wasn't going to lose this scenario, was he? So was he a carpenter? Was he? Was this his prized possession? Who knows? Did he make it himself? I don't know. But anyway, it's an interesting item, and I cherish it and will look after it, and I'm glad I've rescued it from the, you can see it's very rusty, it's not really much use at all anymore, but it is a curious item. And anyway, when my friend Alan was here, the method we used for extracting spoil from the air raid shelter was tying a bucket to a rope, heaving it out and tipping it out. Sorry. Worked really well. It's kind of hard work for both of us, and hopefully I'll have some more labour here again soon, and we'll crack on again. We'll get down, we'll find some more little relics, and we'll show you that in a proper video later. This is just an update to let you know that I haven't forgotten about doing the air raid shelter excavation. Just I haven't got any money, job's a little bit, and if things work out for the best, we'll continue. If they don't, you'll see me filling it back in. Anyway, that's that. Thanks to everybody who subscribed and the one person who unsubscribed. Cheeky. Don't know what I did to upset them. Perhaps they missed the. Perhaps they really missed the air raid shelter digging out videos, and they weren't fans of pickling or gardening. Anyway, bear with me. We'll get back down there very soon. Like, subscribe, share, tell your mates. If they like gardening, cooking, this is the channel for them. And we'll see you again soon. Stay safe, wash your hands, get tested if you think you've got COVID. It's very easy. I did it yesterday. I didn't have COVID, thank God. I do have a cough, which isn't apparently COVID. So if you're not feeling well, you've got symptoms, go and get tested. Otherwise, wash your hands, take care, be safe, and subscribe. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.